So for the last few weeks, I've been looking into valuation for the AXS token, and I thought I'd make a video because I came up with like quite a good way to actually value the token and see how much it should be worth. So I just wanted to start by saying I do a what you call a Ben Graham philosophy, where basically the way I like to value investments is finding out how much money does the investment earn for you per year, and then calculate based on that how much I'm willing to pay for the investment. And this is the same philosophy that Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger and a lot of great investors use. But the thing is, for the crypto space, I normally struggle to use this approach. Now, the cool thing is with this coin AXS, which is Axie Infinity's coin, you can actually apply this Ben Graham style investing method, and I think it actually looks quite cool when you manage to get through it, because you can come up with a pretty concrete number that the coin should be able to get to. So I'm just going to go through how I actually did that, and you guys can tell me what you think of the method I use and if you think it's legitimate. Okay, so for AXS, basically the way it works is that holders of the AXS token are buying into a share of the community treasury. So the community treasury is 100% owned by AXS holders. Now, this community treasury makes money, and it makes money through three ways. Basically, every time a trade is made on the Axie marketplace, there's a small transaction fee. At the moment, it's about 4%. But that 4% fee ends up going straight to the treasury. And also, if you're breeding an Axie, there's a small breeding fee. That money goes straight to the treasury. And if someone's selling land, like Axie land, that also goes straight to the treasury. So it's kind of cool. Instead of the company, Sky Mavis, earning all the profits for that the game makes, the profits are actually sent to this community treasury, and the people who own the coin are getting the rewards from that. So, so if we have a look at how much this treasury is currently worth, then we can kind of work out what the base level of the AXS token can get to. So if the treasury is worth 1 million, you shouldn't expect to see the market cap of the token drop below 1 million. Okay, so I've been looking, and I'll link this below, but there's basically a spreadsheet that my friend showed me, which which shows the balances that are currently in the treasury. And obviously you can see all this stuff on the blockchain. Maybe I'll link the address on the blockchain, which you can use to see the treasury earnings. But I was looking over it and I found, so basically in the last 15 days, the treasury has earned 480,000 AXS token and 650 Ethereum. So there's been quite a bit of like buying and selling going on in the game. And obviously if we see the game get more popular, we expect this to increase significantly. Also, if the value of Ethereum or AXS goes up, then the earnings going into this treasury are going to be even higher. But as I say, currently last 15 days, 480k AXS and 650 Ethereum. So that currently, I did the calculations, should be worth about 3.9 million United States dollars, and that's in 15 days. So if you extrapolate that out to how much it's earning per year, it's getting about 74 million per year is being put into that treasury. So what does that mean that the price of the AXS token should be if this treasury is earning 74 million per year currently? Well, one way I use to sort of estimate what it should be worth is if you look at something in the stock market, you should be expecting to pay something like, if there's a company that's not really going to grow, you would probably pay 10 times earnings for that company. So Apple, for example, people are paying like 25 times earnings for that. Basically, if Apple was making $1 million per year in earnings, people are valuing the company at about $25 million. Probably more than that, actually. That's just an estimate. But on the very conservative side, people you should be expecting to pay at least 10 times what the earnings are, so that if I paid a certain amount, if I paid $10 million for a company that's earning $1 million per year, then I can expect to be getting a decent deal because I'm getting $1 million per year. Hopefully that made sense. Anyway, so if we just use that conservative rule of thumb, then we can value the Axie coin. It should be able to get up to $740 million at a conservative estimate, assuming it keeps making the same amount in the community treasury. Now, if the game grows in popularity and Ethereum goes up or the price of AXS goes up, because those are the two things in the treasury, then you could expect to see that the market cap of the coin gets way, way bigger than 740 million. Currently, the coin's worth something like 240 odd million. So already we can see at minimum the investment should get a return of three times return on money. And obviously there are risks, like the game could become not popular, no one uses it, then the investment falls away. But I think it's quite a decent factor of safety. Like it's not a bad risk to be taking for the potential reward. So hopefully you like that video of how sort of a more concrete way to value a token, and let me know what you think in the comments.